INGO, Dumpfest. What else? IMPP. $2 stock. What is it doing? Okay, maybe IMPP for scalping. You guys see KSCP? Bunman traded it. He loaded up on it too. He loaded up big time on it. I'm not that fast, and it's nice to have that goal, right? How fast you can be. Because I don't take the excuses like, well, you know, this is not my trading style. No, that's all excuses. I mean, if it makes you money, it should be your trading style. But the other question is, are you willing to put effort into making it your trading style? Are you making to go through ups and downs of it? So this is the area where you get in. So this is a micro pullback area. See it? You see that little 15 seconds. So this is a 15 second. If you have a 10-second chart, it'd be a little bit different. It'd be maybe an additional candle here. So like a 10-second candle pullbacks or whatever. And then once it breaks that, then you watch level 2. You just get in. It's not 100%, right? You saw Bunman getting in on these trades, and he gets flushed, and with 40,000 shares, that flush could cost him. KSCP is definitely one of those trades that you have to be ready for. So like you had to be sitting at your trade station and had every alert scanner pulled up, and you also had to know what you look for, right? Because there's a lot of stuff popping, and this, is that an IPO? Yeah, it is. So nothing, no float, nothing. So this is one of those stocks that you really had to know what you're doing. So today is the option expiration day. IMPP. Look at trying to do the third touch of the 230. IMPP again, it's moving like a large float. I don't know if I'm gonna take anything pre-market, even though maybe a 5 minute setup on IMPP, but it's kind of sketchy. Because IMPP, I'll have to do the whole probably ladder. Be like buying limit. So if, for example, if 218, so I would probably looking at 220. So if I see it, the volume spike up and it just, the 5 minutes set up at 220. But it's just so slow. Like, the chances are that when you are clicking that 220, the price already went beyond that. Now, one could say that, hey, if you didn't get in right away, that's good, because if you would have got in at the later time, that means the price would have been worse. So, and the chance for that trade to go down, and actually you losing a lot more. So having that limit at 220 is not bad. The 5 minute setup is still there. I might try the 75 shares over 20. Let's watch. So Bondman is talking about biggest move he ever had, and yesterday the 200%. See, it got me. Funny, I clicked on it, and as soon as I was still holding that click, and as soon as I moved away from that window, yeah, there you go, the stock's actually moving now. $22, $23. I just don't see anything moving whatsoever. So Robinhood stock is down. It's not bad down. Well, it is. It's from 13. Keyboard warrior at 4 a.m., huh? I've been there. I've done multiple times. I was up at 3:30 waiting, had everything set up. Had actually light speed trade at 4 a.m. because what I noticed, some brokers that allow you to trade at 4 a.m. once that 4 a.m. hit, they're actually a little laggy and they actually ask you to reset their platform. Maybe it's because of the data refresh or whatnot. I found with Lightspeed it's not the case. You can actually hit, I think Lightspeed does have that little 3-4 second lag something, so sometimes it does get you in a bad position, but overall I think Lightspeed is the fastest. So NDO has a shelf registration. don't know, INDO. I feel like since I didn't trade it yesterday, all right, let's set everything to a day. I'm not planning to take any more trades. I don't know. I'm going to look at INDO, but I just don't have confidence in it. That's all. So IMPP and INDO, I don't know. IMPP, it's gonna be, maybe I'll trade it because of the spreads. So minute and 20 seconds. So what are the levels? On the 5 minutes, it's this right here. So on a flat level is 223. So anywhere around between 220 to 223, pop into the 235. That's essentially, but again, with Thinkorswim, we'll have to probably stick with just not trading at first minute and hoping that it's going to pop and give us that opportunity. See, it's popping into that level. What is my CPU? My CPU's popping to 22, 25%, 23, 30%, 35. So I'm not taking that 23 trade because we talked about it. Thinkorswim would have just lagged you. So 45 is the highest. Let's see if it's gonna hold. I'm in here. I see buying. I'm in at 231. No, I'm out. I'm in now again at 221. Let's see if it's gonna bounce. No, out. Waiting for that bounce on the VWAP. Nope. INDO. Look at that candle. See, that's why you pay a big price for Thinkorswim, because you're not trading it. That's the whole point. INDO's popping, of course. INDO 675. Holy crap, it went to 6. Rejection of VWAP and it's drop, instant drop. I'm missing the trade on IMPP at 34. I'm in. No, I'm out. I'm in here again. I want to see 45. There it goes. So let's see if 50 is gonna break. Watch that 50. There's double top test. I'm in here. No, I'm out. I got in at 64. I chased it. That was a horrible trade on my part. I'm gonna try again, see if it's, I'm in at 56. I'm out. But see, it's just so 69, 39, 69. Watch 69. This is a difficult stock to trade. It's definitely Robinhood. Whoever wanted to trade Robinhood, it's right there. Everybody's talking about it, right? 3-cent spread. What is the spread? I mean, what is the float on Robinhood? That's a 375 million share float. Had a beautiful 1-minute setup. Probably would have just taken your cup of coffee and waited for that to happen. Watch for that first 1-minute pullback here at 58. So break of 60 into that 68 again for the quick scalp. INDO is still doing its beautiful thing, as always, right? INDO is break of 650. I'm in. I'm out. I'm not overstaying my welcome on INDO. Watch for 1-minute setup at 252 on IMPP. IMPP 252. Watch for it to develop. There's 1-minute candle. Are we gonna see pullback? I'm in. Ooh, I see, like I can't even get out. It's insane. So watch for this squeeze to happen. I'm in here. I'm in at 35. I want to see it pop to 40 again. No, I'm out. So let's watch IMPP. I know INDO is moving nicely. PFIN. I don't know, the stock is all over the place. There's a halt level at PFIN at 730. Robinhood. Let's watch the bounce from a VWAP on IMPP. Definitely missing out on trades here. Definitely, no doubts. False halt on PFIN. That's interesting. So let's see, 3740 on IMPP. I don't like PFIN. I'm expecting this to bounce, so I'm in an IMPP. Alright, and I'm out. So I'm out at 34, which is not that great. Now it's at 40, so it would have been a nicer trade. So that's a normal bounce, right? An expected bounce of a VWAP. So 5 minutes setup is at 250. If we're gonna continue having like buying power in this level, so we might take that 40 break into that 50. There's a 40. All right, it's breaking 40. Here goes. So 2 minutes. Micro pullback. Watch for it not to flush though. So 240 break. I see buying. 37. 35. There he goes. 39. So that would have been a good scalp. I'm see, that's a tough area because right now your risk is lower for that break of 250 because it is a strong stock. Right now it's 45. There it goes. So let's watch 46, 45 here. So 5 minutes set up in 1 minute. Robinhood is just all over the place. It's trading like a low float. Consider it's a 330 million share float stock. But let's see if this is gonna hold here. I'm in here. I'm in at 37.5. There it goes. I want to see 50 break. That's a good 50 break, even though I got out at 49. So it didn't break 50. I'm in still here. I want to see 50 break. There it goes. 58. I'm out at 54. That's not good. I'm in here again. I'm out. I was in at 52, out at 57. So let's bump it up to 800 shares. I'm in. I'm out. I see. I should have kept that trade because Bondman got in. But that's at the top, so watch out for that flush. And since he's gonna get out at 65. See, there you go. He's taking profit, so that thing's gonna drop. But watch 65 because if it's a strong stock, then INDO halt resumption. So 63, 65, there it goes. 63. I'm in. I'm out. I'm in here. I'm out. Let's see. It's definitely, it's getting to a point where maybe 240. 240. INDO did not hold, so people are going to be interested in IMPP, in my opinion. So watch IMPP. That 260 level is important. 265 break. Wow, just broke that in no time. I'm in. It's strong. It's not letting me out. There it goes. Halt on IMPP is 298. I'm in here again. Oh wow. 72. It's sitting flat here. It's got to break that 85. It broke 85. Really nice. But it's not moving strong. Just watch for the pullback to a 260 area. There it goes. That's the 260 I was talking about. Oh wow. I mean, that's an irrational sell-off, but if it's continued to flushing like this irrationally, what if you hold 20,000 shares? Yeah, it was really spooky because it was sitting at that 83, 84, and it wanted to push. I saw volume coming in, the buying volume, but it wasn't pushing like 2 cents. It was only pushing like 1-2 cents. Usually at that volume it pushes 10 cents, 15 cents. And you gotta watch out when it comes to that point. Like it got a little sketchy. That's why when I got in at 80 and I got out at 83, I was like, was this volume and it only moved 3 cents? It's like it was shorted in, and yeah, anyway. I mean, right now, the scandal messes everything up. TKLF and IINN. IIN? Is it IIN? It's IINN. MARPS. MARPS, no. TKLF. TKLF, very. Oh, there's resumption. Okay. MARPS, the halt level is at 633, so it might move to, but it's easy to borrow. MARPS is selling off. IMPP, I don't trust this level. Stocks fall, so SPY is down. Yeah, I mean SPY is not really down, not as low as it was in pre-market. So IMPP, a lot smaller share size. Just maybe because I'm FOMOing into it, but I know it's not going to be a 30 cent drop. All right, watch this. I'm in here. I want to see break that. No. It's not letting me flatten the trade. There's a double top. Wait for the micro pullback or like a flush or something. A break of 85. So IMPP is 324 is the halt. I'm in here. I want to see it break. No, I'm out. I'm in here again. It's toying with that level. I'm in at 81. I'm out. Flush again. Let's see if it's going to flush. It's holding 78. So 85. 1 minute pullback at the double top at 85. Watch that. Watch for a strong push. There it goes. It's going to touch 83. 50, 10 seconds until the next 1 minute. I'm in. It's going to go before that 1 minute ends. There it goes. Watch for the 3 break. I'm in here at 89, 87. I want to see 3 break. Never mind. So still watching 89. I know it has to tap 3 because it's a psychological level, and they're gonna test for how many shares. I mean, how many sellers are there. There it goes. That's the 3. Pull back 16,000. So they checked the sellers there. Now they're just gonna bump through them. Watch. There you go. They bumped through them. So I exited too early at 9. So halt is at 33. I'm in. I'm waiting for the halt. I'm out. I'm in again. I'm in at 12. I want to see halt. I want to see halt. No. No, I don't think it's a top. It's gonna tap. So the halt moved up to 44. So the halt just moved up recently, so it's not gonna move up now. That could have been easy 20 cents. A little more confidence here. I feel like this stock should have gave a lot more opportunities. INDO. So while the IMPP is halted, look at INDO. I knew that's gonna happen. I'm in here. I want this to go. There it goes. It went. So let's see, 80. I'm in here. No. Wow, Thinkorswim is lagging. 86 was the exit. Wow, this is nice on IMPP 7. It's gonna break 7, guys. 696. I'm out. 62. I'm not gonna be surprised if it's gonna break that level. Let's see if it's flushes. I'm in here. I'm in 707. I'm out. I'm in here again. I'm in at 96. I want to see 7 break. Yep. 730, there it goes. I missed it. INDO, break of high. INDO halt is 750. I'm in. I'm in at 37. I wanted to go into the halt. There it goes. The halt moved up, right? I don't even see the halt. Level light speed is not showing halt level. There you go. 770 is a halt level. There's a chance of a pullback here. IMPP halted at 49.39, so at 54.39, the resumption. INDO, watch for that volume pop again. I'm in here. I'm in at 23. Alright, I'm out. pull back. I'm in here. I'm in at 28. I want to see break of that. There it goes. It's not. There it goes. That's where I wanted. I was waiting for that 50 break. I'm in here at, well, I'm 49, 56. That's good. Out. So watch that 50 again. 56. I'm in. No, I'm out. Out at 44. So I'm trying to get filled 250 shares, and I'm getting filled partial fills of 25 shares each fill, and the spread, the fills between, the fills between each trade are like 6 cents apart. So this stock is really volatile stock. So watch your IMPP resumption. 125 shares. I'm in again here. I'm in at 17. I don't like it. I'm in at 303. I want to see that go up. 303 is not a bad entry, but I want to see more than 13. There it goes. I don't mind that. 22, that would have been nicer. Let's see a pullback here. I don't like this. Pullback. I'm in here. I'm in at 40. No. 38. I'm in here again. I want to see 40 break. Out. I'm in at 34. Out. Not getting the resolution here. So let's see, is it gonna, no, it's going up. So it's holding that 20, so I'm 18. No, I'm out. Took that loss. I'll be right back. Gotta use the restroom. Alright, TKLF popping on that volume, but it resumed. INDO, I don't know if this is going to be the second leg up. So break of 740 here on INDO. I'm in. I'm out. I'm out. Like, what the hell? It wouldn't let me get out. Curl on IMPP here, guys. I'm in here. I'm hoping for the curl. In at 86. Let's see. Very indecisive area here. There it goes. 88. Let's see if it breaks 90. There it goes, 90. I'm out. So 89 was exit. That's not good. I was hoping for 90. Let's watch INDO. I like this setup. The 50 break. Pulling back too much. Look at IMPP. It's exactly what I was waiting for. It's getting to a point where, look at this 5 minute, right? It's just not a pretty picture. So 320, watch. There's a pullback here. I'm in at 08. Let's see if it's strong enough to go over 12 into the, no. I'm in here. I'm in at 95. Nope. That was a dump. It basically dumped on me 15 cents. INDO. So I feel like we're getting to a point where I'm in at 40, 45. It's not bad. 210 or 62. I'm in here again for that pop. It's dropping. Never mind. I'm in here again. Let's see, it's 42. No. I'm in. I want to see that 50 break. I'm in at 38. Out. That's a really good trade. I'm in here again. I'm in at 57. No, it's not holding. It's not holding. So watch out that top. That's where the shorts will come in. But it could be strong too, so keep an eye on that. There's 50. The ask is moving up. I'm in. I'm in at 44. Not a bad entry at 44. If it's gonna push again through, no. So that entry allowed me to stay with the trade for a little longer than I usually do. I noticed today was weird actually, as far as fills on TOS. All right, let's see. Break of 3 into the 320 and then break of 320. That's when I will want to start playing this. So 5 minutes setup is at 312. And 5 minutes setup is coming in 1 minute and 20 seconds. So 1 minute setup is at 299. So 3, break of 3 is a 1 minute setup. I'm in here for the break of 3. 97, there's sellers at 97. I'm in here again at 95. Nope, I'm out. Now it's getting to a point where you have a small volume of buyers and short sellers are able to overshadow that. Hey, what's up, Ski? How's it going today? I gotta cut it short soon, so I wish I took that KSCP trade like Bunman did when the news came out. That was like 5 seconds. It made 20 grand in 5 seconds. So INDO has this descending resistance. If you were to trade, I'd say that's going to be the bounce area here. So INDO 45. 5 minutes setup already, right? Yep. I'm waiting for this descending resistance and see how it's gonna play out. So we gotta break that 45 into the 50. We gotta hold the high 40s and then go up. So 1 minute setup here. There's red. I'm in at 35. I'm hoping for 40 break. Nope, I'm out. So IMPP is a flat top here, so watch. 293, 40 seconds. Let's see if it's gonna flush or it's gonna have volume here. I'm in. Alright, I'm in at 93. So it's gotta pop here. No, it's not popping. I'm out. Well, it actually is popping. So I'm in at 96, so let's see if it's gonna go higher. No, it's not going higher. Dang it. I'm in here again for that push. Nope. Whoa, that was a flush again. 11 cents. Hey Delacro, what's up, man? Yeah, 47 just gave back like 30 bucks. I don't know why I get caught in these IMPP flushes. How are you guys doing? Are you guys up? It's pretty strong. Two stocks, INDO and IMPP. INDO is a sympathy. KSCP is popping again. So maybe watch that market. So high of day, 745. We might be on the backside. So did you guys capitalize today? Robinhood candles look so suspicious. They look so algo-ish. Algo-ish. So IMPP 3 is my level, but then 320 is optimally what I want to be. So I'm surprised that it didn't break that 3 stronger. That's actually a sign of weakness. Not seeing anything else. Man, what's up with Robinhood? Like, is it even tradable? As far as level 2, is it readable? Or is it going to be one of those, you know, like Tesla type of trades? So 26, the high is 27. Micro pullback, maybe a curl here. It's definitely not a stock that you take 25 shares, but I just want to get like, well, let's take 75 shares. Everything else is selling off until I see strong momentum on IMPP NDO. We might have that last pop, but that's unfortunate because psychological number was 500 for me today. And I got greedy when I saw 520. I was like, okay, I think we can push this. 17. I'm just curious. I'm curious how Robinhood trades. It's so far I'm looking at it. I'm just trying to learn it. 1120 is the next 1 minute high. So 1120. It's holding this area. I'm gonna get in. Whoa, and I got in it right on the. Let's see if it's gonna sell off. Alright, I want to see pop over 20. $13. I'm in at 10, so if it's gonna flush here, then it's gonna be unfortunate. Yeah, it is flushing. But see, like, it was 14 for a second, and it wouldn't move, and then where is the pullback area? Okay, I'm gonna try here. I'm in at 9, 11. I want to see, so 30 seconds until this 1 minute. So we gotta break that 14. Okay, that's fine. Made my money back. What I'm noticing in a stock like this, you don't really trade a volume pop. You really trade a pullback. And you are hoping that that pullback was the last pullback of that momentum. And when I'm talking about momentum, right, it's I'm not looking at really at how it looks in perspective of a chart, but rather how it moved within that candle. So for example, you saw that trade, you see the little bumps here at the 11:05, and it pushes back up, so it gives you an idea that it could actually stall. But again, it's you're taking a chance. It's not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in this market. But instead of waiting for the next candle to make a new high on a 1 minute chart, you're really trying to fish for that bottom. And if that bottom still continues to get lower, you just get out on that break. Yeah, there are instances where it's a bad thing because it's just costing you a lot of money doing it. So IMPP, let's see 283 here. I see volume here popping a little bit higher, so I'm in here at see what it's gonna do. 88. I want to see I'm in at 77. So I want to see 83. There he goes. That's good. So now I'm gonna see 83 break or something. 43, 15 seconds. I see buying right now. I see definitely buying. There it goes. Let's see if it's gonna sell off before that 10 second. It's not selling off. It's holding 80, which is a good sign. Okay, I see selling here. We're in the next 1 minute. There it goes. There's volume. Watch. Watch this volume. I'm in here. I see volume popping. So let's see 83 break. There it goes. 84, 85. Sell. Man, zero is still good, dude. Alright guys, 500 psychological number. Not gonna push it since I gotta end here. I gotta go in 30 minutes to do some stuff. A lot of stuff going on for me. I'm definitely, look at that, 92, 93. Beautiful trade, guys. 5 minutes set up right now. 5 minutes set up, guys. Watch that. 94, 95 break into the 3. I'm watching, I'm not trading. Look at this volume. 94, watch. I'm in. Out. Because it's not going past 97. So it would have been 3-4 cents. Watch this. I'm in. Break of 3. Here it goes. Out. 4 cents again. So nice trades, guys. I'll talk to you guys maybe during the cup. I don't know if I'm gonna do tonight show, but I think I'm done. It's good. You know, just compensated for my loss yesterday and some. I wanted to trade some options today for sure if the market was dead. But thank you, INDO. Thank you, IMPP. INDO, you were a piece of crap stock yesterday, but you paid for yourself today. So I'm okay with you now. But I feel like INDO is gonna die down, and it's just gonna be a mess like it was yesterday. Look at this. We're hovering at 3. 1 minute set up at 3. There it goes. 3-4 cents, guys. Look for volume. In again. 305, 307. There you go. 10 cents, guys. 800 shares, 80 bucks. Easy money right here, guys. Very easy money on IMPP. Easy money on IMPP, guys. But stay cool with it, because we might be on the backside. That 350. If it's not gonna hit 350 in this swing up, just it's gonna be a weak stock. So, because you saw what I was doing. I was trading that curl at 96. So anyway, all right guys, talk to you later. Appreciate everybody. Please hit a thumbs up before you go, and it helps me a lot. And guys, happy Friday, happy weekend. Enjoy your time. I sure will. It's a really good end to this week for me. I'm pretty happy about it, and talk to you guys on Monday.